Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chibi doll charm using cold porcelain clay. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial and let's get started. So first off, we're going to take a ball of clay in the color that you want the skin tone of your doll to be and shape this into a oval shape with kind of dome on the top. Next step, take some black clay and roll this out onto a thin sheet. Now you want to cut off the rough corners of the clay and also attach it onto the top of that oval. And also cut up the excess clay. Use another sheet of clay to cover the back of the oval and again cut off the excess clay. Pinch the joints to make them blended and also use a needle tool to give it texture to the back and the front side. Next, take tiny balls of clay, shape these into ovals and use a needle tool again to texture it. Use glue to attach the buns at the top of that head. Use a dotting tool to create 2 indents for the eyes and place 2 balls of black clay and also attach the tiny little mouth. And you want to use pink chalk pastels for the cheeks. Now you want to take the color that you would like to take for the dress of the doll and you want to shape this into 3D triangular shape and attach this to the head. Use tiny balls of the same colored clay you choose to use for the skin tone. Roll these into balls and attach these as arms. Use tiny balls of blue clay or the color you choose for the dress of the doll and attach to the bottom of the charm. Use an eye pin to create this into a charm. Now you want to let your charm dry for 24 hours, glaze it, and then you will be done with it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.